Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us all here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. Or go choose, depending on your trading style, and the timeline it will sort your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram or Discord where we're giving free daily signals. Also, we're killing it there. Yesterday we enter a short, today we enter a long, we're killing it there. If you want to join us, the link of our Discord and Telegram is down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, that the daily candle here, it's finished. That small like green candle here, and that one also we're making profit from it today. You can go and ask people, they are in our Telegram and in our Discord. By the way, if you are one of them, go down now and write it down in a comment and tell them what we're doing in our Discord and in our Telegram. Even you can be one of those members. The only thing, there is few steps you can do it. Link is down in the description. And if you don't want, you can go now before it's too late, guys. Go now, join us in Telegram and Discord. So guys, as you see here in the daily, what the market gave us before, you remember that triple top here, and when it's breaking here, the neckline of that triple top here, that candle here of yesterday, it's breaking, but that candle, it's been the candle of Monday. And also we said the Bitcoin is going to go till down here, till that level of 28k, till 27k. And as you see, the Bitcoin is showing here a small candle here. Maybe it's going to reject, maybe not. Also we're still waiting with it, and today it's coming very huge news. So also we will not enter no long, no short. And another thing, I tell it to you in yesterday's video, if you've been with us yesterday, I tell it to you, when we touch here, I told you guys, we touch here, the 50 moving average by 25% of your capital. Like last time here, if you remember, people have been with us from here last time, also we buy 25% from our capital. Then it's make that move. Now maybe it's going to make a small move, maybe not. From here it's going to fall down. I told you, even if it fall down by another 25%, when it's going to touch 100 moving average, the simple one in the daily, then if it fall down more, when it touch here the 200 moving average, we buy 25% from our capital. And the last one, we're going to leave it. If it fall down more, we're going to buy that for long-term investment, not for day trading or something. For day trading, if you want, you can join us in Telegram or Discord. We're giving there signals, and even you can benefit from those things. So now here in the daily, we don't got nothing new. Those things staying how they are. There is nothing new here, so we need to wait more. Here in the daily, I'm going to show it to you when we came to 4 hours. Now here in the daily, there is nothing new. Market is showing it falling down. All is going with it. Whatever is going to stop. Now let's going to see the coming news for today, for pictures to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. The coming news for today, guys, as you see it, that's what we got today. Today we got a very busy day. We got that one here, interest rate decision of the Fed, and everyone, he know the Fed is going to add 0.25% or 25 points. So everybody knows that, but no one can accept it. Where is the market is going to go? Because sometimes they add that it go up, sometimes they add that it fall down. That way also we said there is no trading today. We need to wait till that madness finishes. Then also we're going to make a decision after that. Then at 6:30 GMT time is going to come Jerome Powell to talk in the press conference. Even that one, you don't need to open any trade, because if it's going to go up when the interest rate came, when Jerome Powell is going to talk, it's going to fall down, and vice versa. If it fall down when the interest rate came, when Jerome Powell talk, is going to reverse. So be careful, guys. Don't try to open nothing at that time. And here is our friend, the table of Osus. We're looking at it every day. Look at it here, as you see it. US stocks, they closing the day green. And also, as we said yesterday, we said maybe we're going to see the US stocks falling down and the Bitcoin going up. Bitcoin today it go up. So US stocks, they closing even a next day green. So let's wait in tomorrow what's going to happen. And down here is our friend, the VIX. Also, we're looking at it every day. It stay below in the average. It stay 13. That means currency is still very, very, very low. So there is nothing to be worried, guys. It's still very early for you to start thinking of to take profit. By the way, for your stocks market investors, if you want to join us, you can join our Patreon, where we're giving long-term investment in the US stocks indices. You can join us there and you're benefiting to growing up a portfolio. We're going to tell you the right time to buy and the right time when to sell and to cash out your money before the market is dropping. That's what us we're doing. Even you can do the same thing if you want to join us. But it's up to you. And here, look at that. US dollar staying going up. That's bad news. But it's okay. Also, me today for Forex, I make very, very, very nice profit from that British pound. When it fell down yesterday to the internet long, it went up. Very nice profit from it. I think everything is too clear here. Now let's go into 4 hours to see what Bitcoin doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, as we enter along from here yesterday till here, we make nice profit today. You can ask people, they are in our Telegram and in our Discord. And here, I tell it to you before I told you, look at that, what we got here. A down channel, very, very, very clear down channel. As you see it, you touch the lower of it here. Now, maybe from here it's going to go up to touch the top here. Then after that, maybe it's going to fall down. So now everything's still looking the same because as I told you before, I told you that level here, that supply and demand zone here, as you see it, it's getting broke. It's need the market to come back to touch it here. Then after that to fall down, to break here, to give us a downtrend. Till now there is nothing, so us we still waiting. So for swing trading, me I think it's going to fall down more than that. And for you to enter long, it's need to come to break here. It's need the market to come to break here. Till now the market is showing to us it's still falling down, and that's what it's showing here. Try to give you here like a small flag here, but it's not clear. I'm going to show you what is it clear when we came to lower time frames. Here everything's still looking, the market is going to fall down more than that. Now it's going to see our indicator of the saying, guys. Our indicator, as you see it, it was here. When it touched here, the oversold area, but the candle doesn't close when our indicator is it here. So now here, as you see it, the market is going sideways. And I think it's going to fall down to touch the oversold area. Me, I tell people in my Telegram and my Discord, don't enter a short because the news, all the time of news, we don't trade. So me, personally, I think it's going to fall down till down here. Then from here, we're going to try to enter a long and swing trading. You can join us and getting free analysis there. When is it the right time to buy? When is it the right time to sell? But if you want just to stay here in YouTube, we give you enough analysis when to enter and when not. When it's going to touch here, you need to buy, guys. Till now, as we still in a bear market. Look at that. Very clear bear market. There is no bulls yet. Look at them here. There is no time the market came here. It's always staying here. Where is the bears? They controlling. There is no bulls. So that means the market is going to fall down more than that. So get ready for all those things. Now it's going to see our other indicator of the chain. That one here, it's enter here at the oversold area as you see it. Level also we are not in a very, very stronger level. Yes, in the daily you are, but here in the 4 hours, our indicator is enter here. The price action you got here, you can make like that. Look with me here. And down here, you can make something like that, like a triangle here or a wedge. If that one getting broke here, you can enter long, guys. So till now, there is nothing now. We need to wait in. If the market is going to break here in the top, or is going to fall down to break down here, and is going to continue downward. So everything still looking the same. There is nothing new here. So we need to wait in for swing trading. Swing trading, you need to wait in because swing trading is very, very slow. Because we've been waiting all that time. That is getting broke down here and it's getting broke down here. We enter short. Now we need to go with it till 28k. Me, I'm talking here about swing trading. Me, I'm not swing trader because in the future there is no swing trading because the funding rate, so you every time buying funding rate. Yes, we'll have a enter a short here as a swing trader because the funding rate when I am entering a short, I earn funding rate, not like when I'm buying. But me, I don't like swing trading because it takes too much time. Me, I like to earn every day. That's why me, I like day trading, guys. I think picture is too clear, guys. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the market doing today for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, yes you, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? You haven't. Why, my friend? Pause the video now, smash the like button, writing down a comment, support us guys. You know that channel without you can growing up. So please go ahead and do it. It will not take you that much, just 1 second from your time. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Here in 30 minutes, also yesterday we enter from here, that place here. We used to have here a double bottom here. We go with it till here, till that last high which is here. It hit for all the take profit today. We earn very nice money. Then now, I just show it to the people in my Telegram and my Discord. I told them we got here, that triangle here. Look at it, very clear triangle here. I told them if it's getting broke down here, you need to enter short, but also we are not going to enter short today because as I told you what is coming today. What is coming today is a very huge news. It might the market it went in your favor, then after that it will reverse on you. So that's why me, I don't advise no one to enter at that time of news. Even you do the same thing guys. Always you need to have that rules and never ever break them. Now let's go into see our indicator what it's saying guys. Our indicator as you see it touching here. Now it's showing it's going to reverse and me I tell it to you it's going to fall down maybe to here. Maybe it's going to fall down even till 28k. So you can enter short if you want. So I think picture is too clear guys here. So that's it for that video and please guys don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment and if you could even share the video. You done it. Thank you very much my friends. See you in another video guys. Bye for now.